Biosphere reserves are not about nature conservation. They are about people.
They are sites designated by UNESCO that find creative, effective ways for people and nature to thrive together.
The world consists of many, many types of ecosystems. And in every type of these ecosystems, people have learned how to live there.
The role of a biosphere reserve is to uncover this knowledge, use it and adapt it for the future. We're looking for clever ways to create sustainable jobs, manage our resources, generate clean energy and support biodiversity.
It's all about bringing the people into the decisions.
Linking the technical data with the traditional knowledge from the local community.
Where the science, education and culture approach is used for nature conservation.
What's the most amazing about the Biosphere Reserve idea, for sure, is the network.
The UNESCO Man and Biosphere Programme connects the world network of biosphere reserves.
You can share ideas, practical things, with people coming from so many countries, in so many contexts. We have a common philosophy and common passion.
Together, from Canada to Croatia, we're sharing ways for nature to make life better for people and ways for people to make life better for nature.
People feel very proud and it makes them move and say, yes, we have something to do together.
Biosphere reserves are proof that a sustainable way of living is not only possible, but already happening.